Number 1. GEJGS760. The GEJGS760, as far as we can tell, has no obvious design flaws or quality control problems, and the build feels sturdy. The cooktop comes with a typical set of burners for the price, capable of all but the most extreme high temperature and low temperature tasks. It also comes with a griddle and has its two strongest burners in the front row, which we think is the most convenient way to arrange burners, and is less common than you'd think. The oven is big enough to comfortably fit a hefty 26-pound turkey or a spacious 15 by 20-inch baking stove, and has a convection cooking mode for quicker, crispier, evenly done cooking. Number 2. Bosch 800 Series GH3054US. If you'd prefer a slight in range with a more upscale look and an even sturdier construction, get the Bosch 800 Series GH3054US. It costs thousands of dollars less than a Pro Style or luxury range, but details like glass touch panel oven controls and heavier duty hardware put it in a tier above most slide-ins. While its cooking-related specs and features aren't anything special for the price, the oven is relatively small. And the burners aren't any stronger than you'd find on a cheaper model. You can still cook pretty much anything with this range, including Thanksgiving dinner. The 800 series is also available in a dual-fuel version, responsive gas cooktop, consistent electric oven, called the GH8054U. Number 3. GE Profile PGS930. The GE Profile PGS930 has the most impressive cooking specs you'll find in a slide-in range. The 21,000 BTU power burner is among the strongest gas burners we've seen on any residential stove at any price, so it will boil water faster than other slide-ins. And thanks to the burner's 3-ring design, it's also good at holding low temperatures. It does have upscale details like a glass control panel, though the build isn't quite as heavy-duty as the Bosch 800 series. It's also available in a dual-fuel version, the PGS930. Number 4. Frigidaire FFGH3054US. If you want the look of a slide-in range but don't have a lot of money to spend, the Frigidaire FFGH3054US is your best bet. It's pretty much the only gas slide-in that regularly costs less than $1,000. You'll have to settle for less impressive, but still adequate, specs than you get in a typical slide-in range. The oven has no convection mode, and the power burner is a little weaker than usual. The build quality also feels a bit flimsier than most we look at. But owners seem happy with it, and, again, it's pretty affordable. Number 5. GE Profile PGS960. If you're looking for a double oven slide-in range, we'd suggest the GE Profile PGS960. It has cooking features that are among the best in its class, including one of the strongest power burners we've seen on any non-Pro style stove. Its lower oven can fit bigger birds and roasts than other 2-cavity models, too,